Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make your own AFC Poké Ball. Start by painting all the parts. I'm painting in 0.2 mm layer height. I'm gonna be making Park Ball, but you can make many different Pokeball types just by using different color filament. When you are done printing, you can start assembly. Start by gluing lock and button together. Next, glue in the lights. I printed them in beige, simply because standard green didn't look good on blue background. Now you can start working on the pins. In standard Pokeball they should be brass color. Start by flattening one end with a file. If the holes are too small, clean them out with 2 mm drill. Put small amount of CA glue in the hole and push the filament in. Wait for the glue to cure and cut off the excess. Now you can glue the mirrors in. To join the Pokeball halves, snap hinge in place. But wait for the glue to cure first. Open and close it few times to grind the hinge to perfect fit. Now you can glue on the shells. Check first which one is up and which one is down. I'm using special acrylics glue, but you can use epoxy, CA glue or even hot glue. Now you can install the lock. Pressure fit should be enough, if not, use glue. And it's done. For updates and future project info, visit my Facebook page or Twitter. For files, go to my Thingiverse. Links in description.